Good evening, everybody. This is Matt with the Little Cash Homestead. Tonight, we're in my laundry room because I'm going to show you a man hack. We're all familiar with this, right? OxiClean, the liquid refill bottle, which usually ends up in either if you bought the OxiClean and going back into the old OxiClean bottle, or going into a bottle like this. And then you're treating your laundry and you're pump, and the next thing you know, your hand gets tired. But there's another way. And I'm going to show you that, and it's super simple. Two of these ingredients have been around forever. First one, Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda. The next, you guys know this, 20 mole borax. Cleans just about everything, works great in your laundry. And then of course, we're going to put in some OxiClean, and we're going to put it into this 2-gallon sprayer. So I like to do this with equal portions, and of course your OxiClean box comes with this nice blue scoop. So we'll put a scoop of OxiClean in there. Next, I'll use that same scoop, and this time I'm going to put borax in it. There's our borax. And then of course our third scoop is our super washing soda. Pour that down in there. Just like that. Pour some hot water in it. Enough hot water in it until the stuff basically completely dissolves. Then you just twist your pump top back on. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, right? And pump it up. Now I would much rather do this and pump this thing a couple of times. First time you open the bottle, of course, you have to pump it a little bit more. Now here's the beauty of this. You could take a spray bottle like this one with your OxiClean in it. You can go and you can spend however long it takes repeatedly pumping this thing, spray down your stain. And I have a large family and a lot of children. Or I can take this and we're done.